How to write email pitches. When it comes to email marketing, you might be extremely frustrated. When you first get online, you hear about all the money you can make by having your own list of subscribers. So, you work hard to build up the list of subscribers by giving away freebies that make the opt-in to your email list. As your list gets bigger and bigger, you start to get excited because you think of all the money that will be rolling into your bank account. However, your frustration starts to grow when you find out that you're not making the money you want. You might even have thousands of subscribers, but little or no income. You start to wonder if making money online really is just for dreamers and for scammers. In reality, it doesn't have to be this bad. While you may not make your millions, you'll do well enough to sustain your needs if you do it right. Let's look at a few tips to help you out. Tip 1. The first tip to follow is the AIDA formula when writing your email. A. Attention. I. Interest. D. Desire. A. Action. If you structure your emails to get opened, read, and acted upon, you'll have all the money you ever need. Tip 2. Product launches build up excitement for your offering. There's a clever tactic used to get people interested in what you're selling. They usually last over a few days with an email or two each day designed to keep a prospect's interest. When you finally do release the product, you'll have a lot more interest than if you simply sent out an email. The anticipation alone will get your email inbox stuffed with orders for your new release. Tip 3. The next tip is to mix a pitch and content together. This means that you should always be selling and educating at the same time. Many people are scared to put a pitch or a link into their emails for fear of their prospects getting turned off. In reality, most people don't mind if you pitch them at the end of the email as long as you've given them a tip or education beforehand. In fact, it's a little weird to get an email without a link in it. Most people are trained to click on links, and they may even click the link before they read your email. Give them something to click and don't be shy. You'll make a lot more money in the end.